If you've ever been intimidated by the D flat major scale, this is the video for you, because for a scale with 5 flats, that can sound intimidating and can sound a little scary, but with the right tricks, it's actually one of the easiest scales, maybe even easier than something like C major. So in this video, I'm going to show you the tricks to playing hands alone and together, 1, 2, 3, or more octaves, and as always with some super simple tricks. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome. My name is Jonathan, and on this channel, we provide practical tutorials to help you improve at the piano faster. So let's dig in with D flat major scale. We'll begin with 1 octave in the right hand. Now, the key here is to think about what we call finger groupings. That's the number of fingers that you play before a thumb goes under or a finger goes over. And this is actually one of the easiest scales when it comes to this, because the fingering pattern is this. You're going to use this finger group, so just 2 and 3 together on D flat, E flat. You'll use these 3 fingers together on G flat, A flat, B flat, and then your thumbs will line up on the 2 white keys in this key, F and C. And then if you follow that formula, all it is 2, 3, thumb to F, 2, 3, and 4, thumb to C, and then just cross second finger to grab this top one, and then you just follow that back. Now, if you have a little bit of a hard time getting that at first, you can cluster these groupings, meaning you'll play these together, thumb, these together, thumb, second finger, and then follow it back, together, thumb, together. And then if you want to do more than 1 octave, you just keep following this simple tricks. 2s and 3s, thumbs, 2, 3, and 4, thumb, 2, 3, thumb, 2, 3, 4, thumb, second finger to end, and then we come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb, 2 and 3, thumb, 2, 3, and 4, thumb, 2 and 3. And again, if you have trouble with this, regardless of the number of octaves, you can simply cluster it like this. It has a way of really helping with the muscle memory, especially if you're not finding it especially intuitive right away. Now, the left hand, the beautiful thing about this scale is that the left hand uses the same exact finger tricks. So you're going to use, again, 2 and 3 for your first 2 notes. Thumb will line up on the F, 2, 3, and 4 line up on the 3 black keys, thumb to C, and then you cross second finger to grab that last note, and then you just follow that backwards. Thumb, 2, 3, and 4, thumb, 2 and 3. And again, you can use that to go as many octaves as you want. If you want to do, say, a 3-octave scale, same exact fingerings. 2s and 3s, thumbs, 2s, 3s, and 4s, and then I just follow that backwards. So again, by not pining over every individual finger and thinking about these bigger tricks with finger groupings, you can make the scale so much easier. Now let's talk about hands together, which is going to use basically the same exact trick. This is a unique scale, you probably notice, where both hands practically use the same fingers for the same groups of keys, not necessarily individual keys except for the thumbs. So let's dig into that, starting with just 1 octave. Again, 2s and 3s, we'll play D flat, E flat, thumbs to F, and then these fingers collectively we'll play G flat, A flat, B flat, across to C, and then we have D flat here, and then we just follow that back. And then to do more than 1 octave, just like we did with hands alone, you can just use the same tricks as many octaves as you want. I'll demonstrate that with clustering this time. Say I want to do a 2 octave. See how easy that was? Or if I want to do a 3 octave scale. So give these tricks a try. Let me know, especially if this is a new approach for you, how it goes in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, be sure to check out this video. This is our ultimate guide to all of the major scales, hands together at the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.